Thank you. Love potion? You've got to be kidding me.
So did you see that new show last night?
Oh yeah, it was great.
On the TV.
The TV?
Yeah.
Yeah,
that was awesome.
I don't want to break this up, but Dr. Oz has gone mad.
That was the Oz show.
Oh.
The Oz show.
Yeah. Uzbekistani Boobaroo root. Love potion.
Oh,
What?
really?
Are you serious?
He's gone crazy, hasn't he?
Way too far.
That's insane.
Take a look at that.
Let me take another look. Let me actually let me take a longer look.
Okay, yeah.
No, it's not.
Maybe
I need the love potion.
Wait, people are acting very strange. There's a weird sort of, yeah, so people are acting very odd. Weird behavior going on. Oh, no. Come on, there's got to be something on here about it. There it is, a PDF file. Love potion, antidote. 1 part chamomile, 2 parts mugwort. Shake well. Mandrake root. Shake well. Spray in face. Okay.
state of the Texas will show Hanford and
How about that Starship Troopers? Am I
What's
right?
up with this quantum scale system, man?
Oh, quantum scales. That's something. That's new scale system. We got.
Is that-
Oh,
so
something
that's
else
what that
entirely.
means?
Richard, how you doing?
Hey, how's it going? You guys feeling all right? Good. You know, I'm never going to question Dr. Oz again. That was pretty weird.
Did you get everybody with the spray?
I think so. Yeah.
Yeah.
What about Lee?
I think I got everybody.
I don't think you did. What about Lee?
Yeah, don't worry about Lee. It's fine. Hey, you know, just back off about the whole Lee thing. Hey, where have you been?
I've been on break.
For 8 hours?
Don't worry about it.
I'm on break
I
for
might
8
have been
hours.
clocked in.
I gotta go. I'm gonna go get Lee.
I quit.
I quit too.